in the free assets, you have a folder with they call textures. The whole free asset folder, the best way is you pack that in your resources folder of your project. In your user directory, you have the document folder, and there you find a folder they call TiXL, and in this folder you have a folder with the name of your project, and in this project folder you have a resources folder, and in this resources folder you put in this free asset folder, or all the 4 folder is better. You put all these 4 folder in your resources folder, and there you switch then by the selector to this texture folder, but in the load image node you do that. You select that, and there you select this image here. It's called this is the name from the file where what I show you, what it was select in the load image node. But from the load image node you must claim between another thing. I think so. No, I don't know. I'm a bit confused whether I have done that or not. But I think I don't have to, you don't need to do something more. We must look it by the orbit camera. I must remember me. But I think this is the original. I think it's okay. Anyway, now I know why I have done this. Maybe when I look inside, I'm not so sure what I have done there, but it's anyway, if you do that or not, what I have done, offset 505, it's not so much what I have done here, but we take in direct and let it this SetMaterial to put in the BaseColorMap the load image node, put on this that image of my files, and now on the end of the SetMaterial you do a transform node, and here we have 2 animations, and this makes a sum of the rest of the animation. Okay, so you see here in next on the rotation, on this transform node, on the rotation you toggle on the front and you select vector 3 like we do that so much before. And now I have on the J and on the Z axis something. So on the J-axis you toggle here and what I was showing there, frequently bands attacks. It's anyway select animate value, and in the animate value, what it was, frequency band attacks, I'm not so sure. No, this is wrong. This is wrong. Okay, you must select another. I was wrong. Toggle on J and search for frequently what it was called? Frequency bands attacks? No, audio reaction. Oh, I just put the audio reaction on that. Okay, but this is not important for you today, for now. Right now, more important is that one, what we have on the Z-axis, and for that you take an animation value and you jog it to endless, and from endless you must switch to this parameters. Look at these parameters. I delete everything what I have done just for showing you, and now we are here, and then you got this rotation in the Z-axis too when you do everything of that. And now it's the last movement what we give for the animation is by the orbit camera. You go out by the transform and take a line out and type in or, and you see in front orbit camera, select that by the mouse, and now you got this. I don't know, I take the default everything, and now it comes just to the point where you must make the spout, and for that you need a render target first, and then you can in next step make the spout. Okay, so you see the whole way to rebuild that asset, and I hope you have make everything fine and it works everything. So this is the end of this tutorial. Bye bye.